Ay, ma-order ako ha. Pwede ka bantayan mo yun. Bantayan mo yun. Yan. Bantayan mo yun. Nanang gusto mo? Dito, butang mo lang dito. Para di rin manang nanang gusto mo? Nanang gusto mo? Mamang gihapon? Sarado mo. Go! Hey! Binigiri ka mo naman. I hope you get something of that. Thank you. And do ako na chicken. Dining. Chicken with spaghetti. Tapos pwede pa add ako extra rice sa'yo. Tapos pwede ko fruit.
Add rin ng dalawa. Ano pa?
Malang.
Pwede lang chicken and spaghetti sa extra rice. Okay na.
Ma'am, yung chicken namin, ma'am, 20 minutes. Willing to wait lang. Tapos may table na po. 400 per table. Sige, sir. 30 minutes ko lang. Okay lang. Okay lang. Check na lang sa monitor ko.
Your beautiful hair. Thank you. Minutes pa daw. Hi, thank you, Mo Production. Gusto mo fries? French fries? I come from Germany. Hi, thank you from Germany. Fries? Gusto mo fries? Ano gusto mo? Chicken?
1005, 2071, 2002.
Alright. Gap. 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 Jollibee. Good afternoon. Afternoon. Thank you, Sir Fred. Jollibee time. Hello, Cheryl. Happy Mother's Day. Have a nice spending with God. Perfect time. Perfect time. Just you too. Yes, yes, Mike. Gap. Gap. Yeah, thank you. Thank you sa girl. Thank you sa treat. Thank you the treat, Mike. The number. Thank you. Who's on the other side? Beautiful lady. Thank you, Sir Fred. Who's on the other side? Beautiful. The beautiful lady on the other side. Thought was only you and no, I don't know her. Just sit here on the table. We don't know each other. We're not only customer here. My God. Jollibee. Yeah, Uncle Fred, are you treating Cheryl special today, Lord? Oh, okay, I want to know her. Oh my God, she's pretty. She's so pretty. Baby. Thank you so sweet. But my wife is pretty, yes. My wife is so beautiful. Yeah. Pwede mo magpapalo. Mike, I already offered to take wife to the viewpoint, but she just wants to relax. Ah, okay.
1008, 2001, 1005, 2004, 2011.
Gawin na lang ba? Gawin na lang. Wala ba? Wala mo ko kasi ano?
Gusto mo magdagdag sa Skype? She wants a long time with the best man in the world. Wow. I think he's right. Sir Fred. I think Cheryl this better get busy, yeah. Yes, that's right. You're right, Mike. I will buy shoes for Gab later. No problem, Mike. We meet up for not together during the week. Oh my golan. At least my shadow. Thank you, Sir Fred. Can get the shadow camp. We both hide. I want mine.
2005, WC 1009, 911, 2004, 1008,
Madagdag ako french fries ha. Mudan mo yan dinano mo. Gab, ay wait. Mudan mo yan dinano mo. Second sa madagdag ako french fries. Excuse me. Sa french fries. Then tayo. Fries na. Fries lang. Pwede fries lang. Ilan? Gawa lang. Regular, medium, large. And fries. And large na lang. Dalawang large na. Ano po? Yan lang. Order na lang. Okay. Let me begin. See you will buy. My stream today is Mother's Day. This Wife's Day. You can't afford my price. You can't afford my price.
Yung sa rin na damo.
Bayad ko kami.
Regular
Hurry and reach Cheryl. Hurry up and reach We're so anxious. We're dining. Okay na,
2004,
Sunday, yung burger and fries.
2009, 2005, 1012, 1015,
Dalawang large fries, ma'am, for dining. 220. I received 15.
Nagdali ni Monica na.
Pero yung isang Sunday po, wala lang yung tomato. Nakadalhin mo. Dahil po. Open ko. Gusto mo kanin? Lifting out our backs, preparing your food. Come on, Mike, let's eat. Yes, Han. Yep. Wait. One more.
May rice pa. Din ako na.
Wow, that looks good. Hello, Gab. Have a nice time with your mom. Hello daw, sabi man. Hello daw, sabi man.
89 cents. Sa loob, ay, di ba
2012, 1019, 2016, 1028, 1025,
Okay lang yun, hindi mo
Hi, Mark. You're out of Mother's Day celebration. Your son is handsome. Thank you, Sir Mark.
Fourteen, 2012,
Hi. Week 1, we're having a spinal cord. And no need to cook, no need to at home we eat finger. Yes.
Puro basta may tayo.
Figure it out. Choose this ring. Surprise gift. Surprise proposal. Yes, the 76. I didn't know how it happened. Did you tell your cousin about me? Not yet. Wait, maybe later when I'm going back. Maybe she's sleeping now. My cousin. Sure, who is the lucky guy who gave the sound as a mic? It's you. His name is Mike, living in America, Pennsylvania. I mean, my cousin is the ano. I forgot to tell because busy yesterday. I call him Pennsylvania. Mr. Pennsylvania 96 C4 Classic. The lucky guy. Mr. Pennsylvania. Ano mo na? Tell your son I said hello. Okay. Hello daw. Hello. Thank you, Sir Mark. You should come here to Florida and go to this. Wait, me and Mike planning going there. Next year, maybe. Will be Mr. Philippine Province Manager. Yes. That will be so fun.
Kuya, pwede po makagan yung tubig? Saro lang. With ice. Thank you.
Yeah. We plan to move here, Mr. Pennsylvania. Mr. Pennsylvania.
Thank you pa.
What is the Jollibee? Jollibee. Jollibee. Remember, tell Gab if he wants the surprise, he has to give you a choice for Mother's Day. Yes. Later. What's your favorite yet? Spaghetti with fried chicken or float. Gusto mo spaghetti? Yes, French fries. The French fries. I'm sure Mr. Tutu. French fries. Big French fries. While we're at the bus, Mark, I have 2018 Harley Breakout, 107 engine, both it new is only has 1,400 miles on it. I think I'm interrupting your time with Mr. Pennsylvania. I just figured out that 96, yes, it's him, Pennsylvania. I'm sure Mr. Sonia would get along well. We both have Harleys, yes. They both you have a Harley. Did you get again? Yes. French fries, chicken, and spaghetti, float. That's fine. Mr. Pennsylvania, understand and supporting me. Mark, I just sold my 1996 Zipo COVID 2 months ago.
Kasi no? Wala. Pero, savings. Ano may savings ka?
Okay. Thank you for joining.
Thank you. Oh, dito. Ano ba? Ayan, saro lang ang Sunday.
Kaya eh. Sige lang ko na yung napagalit ka ng man. I don't have for bed. I do have a couple of muscle cars. I have CC much. One Mustang, 60. Wow, really? Camaro. Oh my God. Ato na ba ta? Ha? Busog? Busog ka? I have a bio. I give a biomedical engineering company in Orlando. It keeps me pretty busy. Wow. Good luck! Why you are... Ha? Huyag ka? You're good, Sir Mark. Ay, agad. Kaya bawal din mo ganun. Your wife to be might introduce me to her cousin. I need to contact her because my cousin's so busy now. What time? Maybe he's sleeping now. The rest Mother's Day now, so maybe tomorrow I will try to contact her. Something like that. Maybe you will meet there in US. Then if Mike and if my Mike plan going there, so to meet you there. Dito lang ako sa luwas. $100 lang ha. Ha? Ano? Dito lang ako sa luwas, Gab.
So, please take care of your personal belongings, especially your clothes, bags, and wallet. Please don't leave your things
Did Mike leave? Maybe doing something. Maybe Mike doing something or ready to sleep.
para sa mga nagkakapos.
Someone I need to meet someone, but who is real? You know what? Lots of Filipino are good. Maybe you need to lurking, and need to find Sir Mark. Mike, love you very much. I can see. Yes, we love each other. I love him so much too. We love each other. I love him. Yes, I love him so much too. We love each other. Super duper tons of love. We love each other. I love him, and he loves me. We love each other, and that's important of the relationship. Means to love each other, something like that. How much do you love each other? Super duper trillion billion tons of love. I love you, my love. Super duper tons. Million tons of love. I love you, Mike. Pimples. So you are busy, I can check that later. You and Mike, enjoy your time. Nice to meet you, Mike. Thank you, Mark. Thank you, Sir Mark. So cute. Thank you. You and Mike have a good thing, yes, but thank you, Sir Mike. A beautiful relationship. Love each other. The good thing is the love is real. We love each other. Super duper tons of love, something like that. Same to you, Mark. Hopefully you can meet Charles' cousin. She's very pretty, and maybe you can hit it off together. Yes. I told him but my cousin, she's so busy. That's why I tried to contact her. Maybe tonight, maybe today. because Mother's Day, baby, she's off. Something like that. Thanks, Mike. There's something to having a good chemistry, yes. If you meet my cousin, oh my God, she's so pretty and super good.
Bigyan mo ng gusto mo. Gusto ba?
She's nice, hardworking mommy. She's hardworking one. So kind. Genuine, so genuine. Super nice, something like that. Maybe you will meet there. Just I want to make sure that she will meet the good one. Not only the man can afford the good life for her, but the good man inside and out. That's the important, because I don't want to get hurt my cousins. Like before, she's traumatized. She felt trauma because her past relationship is the first boyfriend's first experience. That's why she don't want to have a relationship again. Oh my God. Mark, her cousin, is 21 also, yes. We're same age. We're same age, same height, same size. But she's pretty than me. She's beautiful than me. We can make posters to put in the province. You can have a picture and say, man needs Philippine wife, must be real and love for good life in real life. Real life. Can you share out for interview? No need to pause. No need to do that. No, I'm not good for that. That's you both are teeny tiny. Yes. We bought teeny tiny, my cousin. We can make a poster to put in the cabinet. It can have my picture and say, man needs Philippines wife, must be real, for good life, real life. Can show up. Something like that. Well, wife, hired for wife, something like that. Gab! Gabriel! Gab! Wow! Agiman! Galing ah! Galing naman ni Gab. Thank you, Gab. Dala ka sa luwas ha? Ha? Abos ka na? Bago itas yung sapatos mo. I like tiny, so I can carry her across the threshold of the door after marriage, something like that. Wow, both are 4'11" and 85 pounds, soaking with super teeny tiny. Yeah. Super teeny tiny, my god. Mark, you too old for her, dude. Happy Mother's Day po. It's good to see you. Happy. Hi, Sir John. Thank you for joining. Long time no here, Sir John. Miss you po. Hospital Healer, hi. Hey, user. Wow. Magab. Gab. Gabriel. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Thank you for the greetings. The colored beer guy. User says I'm too old. Huh? No. Not user. Said Mark said not Sir John. Not users. Someone said Adel Hansen. Not user. Not Sir John. It's an American cushion after wedding on the first night. Men carries new wives through the doorway. Okay, po. You call. Hi, Stella. Sir Mark, not his user told you that you're old. Someone told you not to. I took a break from YouTube. I was under it too much. Okay. You need to take your time, Sir John. Yeah, no need to because me sometimes I need to take a break because not good health or too much on phone. Abel, that's not nice to say. Please better speak for her or you will be kicked. Thank you, Han. We're here now. We buy Gab one shoes. Ano gusto mo? Sabihan mo daw kung ako sa Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Sabihan mo.
Happy Mother's Day. Kiss mo daw ako.
I don't want to kiss me. I don't want to kiss me. I told him you need to kiss me. He don't want to kiss me, my God. No sapatos na. Name it mo sapatos. How old is too old? You keep loving and living. Age doesn't matter, Sir Mark. Age doesn't matter. No, ignore them. Ignore someone tell you that. Oh my God, Mom, you embarrass him. Sir John. Hi, Sir John. Miss you here, Sir John. Long time here. Oh my God. Wait, no shoes unless he kills his mother. Yeah. That's why I don't want to kiss me. May gulay. Hanap ito sa sapatos niya. pambata. Sa taas, ada.
Ano na lang?
Ha? Ha? Hindi na gusto mo, Dede? Sa taas, ada.
Ito mo.
You gave that mama kiss. I don't like this. I don't like it. My son don't like no kiss for mom. Then no shoes or new clothes. Manang gamitin mo pag display lang dito. Hanap bigas ng sapatos. Look. May look. My God. May gulay. So small. So tiny. Look.
This year, bring new bottles and have your shopping with Buy Now Pay Later here
Huh?
at SM Store. Come to your life easy,
Oo.
rent-free, to 3 monthly payment at 0% interest with your favorite bank. Offer available on Indigo,
Sapatos. Bye for now, guys. I will talk to you later. Thank you, Sir Mark. Then grab him and give him a kiss. Okay. Look. Charot. Ay, nagab. Nain ka na. Ang pambata. Di man yun yung pambata. Hanap ito sa pambata. Di ba yun yung pambata?
Sana na lang. Ito.
Sa LCC na lang. Jenef. Ariho. Ito, may mga sapatos ho. Take care, Mark. Cheryl will talk to her cousin if she agrees to talk. Then the rest is up to you. Yeah. One, two. Pasok siya.
Sana na lang GNF. Ganun.
Sa Jenef na lang? Sige. Ano?
Walang friend, sige.
Sumali na kita. Ano ang gusto mo? Enggak, kaputi daw mo na. Ay, kana didiho, kay ma-picture kita. Kana didiho. Ma-picture kita. Kapatid niya rin. Kapatid niya rin ako na picture ako. Na, ayaw na pag-imo doon. Doon ako lang. Dito ka ako. Sana ka matito. Kaya na yan.
Welcome to my vlog. Mama, Spider-Man.
Kaya nga, dito na ito.
Sa sandal.
Kaya na. Cheryl, let me know if you need more cash to get everything for Gab. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. He go to another because he don't like shoes here, so maybe we'll try to another store. Dito na lang kita maagi. Lagi daw ako. Ito na candy lang ang gusto ko. Hi, Francis Zigbag. Thank you, my God. Sapatos, tapos brief, Gab. Dito na lang kita mabakal. Sa LCC, gusto mo? Ha? Jenef? I want to go, we want buy to another store. Kana? Dito na lang ikaw mabakal kasi ano ang gusto mo? T-shirt, pants, pants, tapos ano pa? T-shirt, tapos shoes. Madahong, nag-ano. Ano na kita? Nakatagot sa Jenef. Ano? We're going to another store because Gab like shoes there, shirts there. Something like a light stick there, something like that. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ada si ano. Hello! Hi! Sino kapag niya? Manay Nore? Adi, nagpa-share man kami. Kay Mother's Day niyan.
Nama sa kantay pa ni Justin.
Ah. Ah, siya na yun? Di ko na nag-iilakay. Nagako. You're getting him some t-shirt, shorts, yes. I need to buy him. Shorts, pants, socks, underwear, and sneakers, yeah. Hello, Joel. Yes, hon. You need to go buy that. Buy another store. Wow. Hi, Mom Julian. Oh my God, it's Julian. Oh, you good. Sorry, I didn't. Hi, Julian. I didn't know. Oh my God, it's Joel. Hi, Jolene. Thank you. Happy Mother's Day. Jolene from Mike and Venus channel. Yeah, I think. Yes. Dito na lang kita maagit. Got. Aray ko. Yes, and breads. Ah, yes po. Ah, sorry. I didn't know. Hi, Julian. Thank you for joining. Aray ko. Happy Mother's Day. Okay, well, welcome here. Yes. Thank you, Julian. Mike, I was live with you on Fred's live rule in the panel. Yeah. You see his butt? Oh my God. Nice. May gulay. Dua? Kanagap.
Barkada sa
Aray ko. Dali ka. Pahihilo daw namin. Yaw pa. Wala na, di ba naman? Ay, ngayon. Ay. Double. Yes. Did you like when Fred's movies picture on top? Oh my god. On top of mine when I showed my ass to him and everyone else. Oh my god.
Mali-mali, man. Mali po po.
Oh my god. Don't do that again, Mike. My life. Butahan mo sila ng sa kuya.
Bilang ano yun dyan? Hindi na mabuwa. Oh, tingka ba? Dito ka na. Ay, sige, didi ka na. Kimi. Didi na. Naka na. Okay.
Ito.
Ay, wait lang. Mabawa ka na.
May wasong pa, may wasong pa. Pare, may wasong pa.
Si Papa mo.
2, dalawang ko lang. Apat. Dalawa ba? Ito yun eh. Tingnan, paano
I can do that anymore. Was not natural. Didn't approve. I almost got in big trouble. Tampo time. Yes po, Ma'am Julian, he's my son. Say hi ka, Dad. Say hi ka. Thank you po. She left, yes. Because I don't want to see Mike like that. Tampo time. At that time. Kaya kaya.
Ano ba yung nakalay ba? Ano si Bibi?
Going to store because Gab don't he want to buy his things at GNF, like the shoes, t-shirts, pants. He wants to go buy to other store because he likes he likes something like shoes there. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm watching from Japan. Hi, Ray from Japan. I'm not single. I'm engaged po. You look absolute. Thank you, Rige. No John was.
Ay, ang subok. Wala po na side.
Getting married soon.
Upat ko.
Tingnan mo.
Pangas mo.
Tulong estudyante. Hindi rin magalit ang estudyante.
Want a bigger.
Isang as.
No need. For me, it's enough. This is enough for me.
Hindi ko ito na.
Pero na estudyante.
Ito na po.
Doon na regular.
Sarap
Pero
lang.
lang po.
Patman lang ko na yun.
Gigigil na ka.
Sumuti ko kaya.
Hanggang ka.
Isla. Boss. Tubod man nila nakuha mo.
Ate ko kapag
Ganang gusto mo mag-ano? Sa LCC o sa ano? Hmm?
Janet.
Janet? He likes, we buy clothes for him, Janet. So you missed my last comment. My last comment. So where are you going now? At Janet store. We're going in Janet store. Janet store. Another store for him. We buy clothes for him, shoes, something like that. Meron.
Saro na regular sa estudyante.
We have a good rest of the day. See you soon. Thank you, Ma'am Jolene.
Ito, sa barangay sa imo.
Salamat. Thank you.
Nahulog ang kalaman.
Ako na dali.
Mantabi mo.
Yard.
Kapalik sa counter kita.
Gusto mo lang ito, mama? Ingit ka daw. Nasa dalan?
Ayaw.
Ulan. Sino ba? Hindi. Ikaw ka nagtibay-tibay ko. Ano ko taling ko na pagkaka? Basta eh. Basta kita ano na ka? Chicken. Bukas talaga ito. No, ha? Babarin na. Babarin na. Ang gagawin namin. Hindi mo mas nalilila.
Pinakalaga. Ito mo, peso. Ato, dito sana. Red naman. Yan. Wala.
Hindi. Hindi natin mga
Ang naghan. Hindi man hindi na
May
mababa.
kusal sa mga kami.
Ano? Hindi man nakakilalilit mo siya man ito.
Kainit.
At isa. Kami ng mga
Ate. Bahala. Atarap yan na yun.
Tara, dito ko. Di ba, amot-amot ng tayo na naman na. Ingit ka lang, kaya makuhan. Kasi, dali ka. Kapatid na kayo. Ito, Ventura.
Mexico, no, no, ahí no va el